everyone and welcome to TaiyangNews. This is Anu Bambani, the senior editor at TaiyangNews, and today we are reporting from InterSolar Europe 2026, and I'm at the booth of Enphase, and I'm joined by Stephan, who is going to tell us what new do they have at InterSolar here. Welcome to TaiyangNews. Stephan, how are you?
Hello, thank you. Thank you, I'm fine. I'm Stephan Ostermann. I'm the head of training in EMEA. And welcome to Enphase Energy. And for all of you who do not know Enphase yet, we are founded in 2006, so 20 years in the market. Over there somewhere is a 20-year mark. So we celebrated at that exhibition, and 20 years Enphase means we have installations in 160 countries. So that means more than 5 million homes are equipped with microinverters from us or with batteries. And we were able to bring all of these into a whole ecosystem. And for this ecosystem, we have a couple of new products, and we're happy to show them to you. Okay. We have our microinverters here, and with the microinverters, we have a total capacity of about 20 million pieces a year. And the advantage at our microinverter is we have one inverter for the whole world. So it's a software-defined architecture. So you could have the same inverter working in the US or in Germany, and the main differentiator is the software inside. And where we are very proud of is inside that inverter, we have not just our own ASIC chip to allow all the functionality you need for that microinverter. We also have the latest GaN technology inside. So GaN, gallium nitride, that means you can switch faster, you can have more energy output on the same form factor, on the same size. So therefore, we gain more efficiency and also more power on the micros. One last word to the microinverter. I mean, why do we do this? With a microinverter, we transfer the DC from the PV module directly behind the module into safe AC. So you do not have those 600, 800 volt on the roof, and therefore no single fire risk at all. And that's where our major advantage is on those technologies. And what we have done here is we put the same technology of microinverters into our batteries. So we have here our brand new battery. It's a 5th generation of battery. It's the first stackable AC residential battery, meaning we have 1, 2, 3, 4 battery modules in this case. You can stack it up to 6 of them, then you have 30 kilowatt hours in total, and each individual battery unit has its own microinverters here on top behind that cover. That means each battery module is working independently and directly converting into AC. So again, no high voltage on the roof, no high voltage into the battery. So we do everything for safety. And just to give you an idea why this is so great and kind of innovation for us, our current battery, what we have, the R3 battery, is about that size, from top to this size, but just have 5 kilowatt hours of capacity. And now we have almost the same size, and we can have 20 kilowatt hours with that form factor. So that product will come out early next year. So we target 1st of February latest to ship those products to the installer. So the distributors will already have it on stock. The IQ9 is already launched this month, or has been launched this month, so it's widely available in Europe and also in the United States. Okay, the third product where we are really proud of, this is our DC bi-directional EV charger. Meaning, also here we convert directly the AC from the grid into DC and bring DC into the car. It's a bit bigger than the usual chargers, right? But that guy can do more than just charging your car. So you can discharge your car, you can support the grid, you can have even a backup functionality. Just imagine you are at home, your car is plugged in, you're at home, your car is plugged in, and you have a grid outage. You will not recognize it because your car will take over with that bi-directional charger and serve your house loads seamlessly. So you will not recognize it. Another example, you're not at home, but you have another grid outage. You come home, everything is dark, you plug in your car, and within a minute, you're back on energy served by the car. These are a few examples what you can do, because the future is flex, right? So we need to be flexible on the grid. We can make money with that, because whenever you serve for the grid provider gives you an amount of money for that service. So it could be that we just say, hey, we have capacity available or we have power available, and whenever you as a grid provider needs energy, just give us a signal, and in a millisecond you get the energy you need to stabilize your grid or the frequency or whatever. So this is part of the whole ecosystem. So you have an inverter on the roof, bringing it down into a battery, and if the battery is full or you need some more capacity, you just bring it into the car and get it out when you need it, right? And that's the future of energy. Today we are in the stage that we had a couple of demos with that DC bi-di charger. So when you go around, you also will see some videos we have already shot. The commercial availability of that product is end of this year, so end of 2026, and we are targeting mass production, or let's say mass shipments, in the beginning of Q1 2027. Okay, thank you.